Hey my loves, assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my channel. Now I'll just wrap that around my head and frame it across my face properly. Yes, and then just tie that. It's so easy, guys. It's so easy. So I'll tie this down and then bring the top part and just braid it. I mean, if you're a girl, of course you know how to braid something, so I'm just gonna braid that. Make it quite tight, that way it doesn't go loose whilst you're walking around town. Now that I'm done, I will tuck that under my turban and just pin it down. Now, I tucked it under because I don't want it outside because of the loose ends. It will make it look presentable, so that's it, guys. I told you it's easy. It's always easy. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, then please give me a big thumbs up and like and share as well. I'd really appreciate that. And yeah, subscribe. Do subscribe and watch my other videos. I'd really appreciate that. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum.